welcome to Have Fun Cooking. Today we're going to be making breakfast burritos, and these are all the ingredients that we need. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is brown our sausage, and while we're browning our sausage, we're going to peel and chop up our potatoes. Okay, these potatoes are diced, rinsed, and ready to go, so let's check on our sausage. Okay, so our sausage is cooking nicely. And as soon as this is done, we're going to reserve some of this oil and cook our potatoes in that. Put about a couple of teaspoons of salt and some shakes of pepper. Add as much to your taste. Okay, now let's cover this up so it can cook faster. Okay, so these potatoes are done. We're going to take these out the pan and set them to the side. It took about 20 minutes for these potatoes to cook. And I put the green peppers and onions in there after about 12 minutes. So if you want the green peppers and onions to cook down even more, put them in along with the potatoes. And then they can cook. Just make sure you watch it thoroughly so that nothing burns. So we're going to take this out and put this with the sausage. And the next thing we're going to do is cook the eggs. So we're going to cook the eggs in this pan. I didn't wash it out. We want all the flavors to meld together anyway. Just put a little bit of butter in here and then go ahead and add your eggs. Scramble these. And once these are done, then we'll be ready to assemble. Okay, so the eggs are done. So now just put it with your mixture. And at this point you can season this up with some more seasonings if you like. Season up to your taste. I'm going to add just a little bit more. I'm adding some seasoned salt. Not too much though, because we have the cheese to go in this. And I'm also adding garlic powder. So let's go ahead and add our eggs. Let me mix this up real quick. So just mix this up some. And we're going to add our eggs to this. And we're also going to add some cheese to this. This is a 12-ounce bag. So, yeah, we're definitely going to add about half the bag. Okay, this is 2 cups. Let's stir this up and see what this looks like. Add more or less cheese to your taste. I'm adding the whole 12-ounce bag of cheese. So now we're ready to assemble. This is my half cup measure. Let's get our tortillas ready. Take these apart. And if they're a little stiff, just warm them up in the microwave for about 15 seconds or so, just so that they are easy to fold. And that's what I'm about to do with these. I softened up my tortillas. I just put them in for about 15 seconds and they were all soft. These are the 10 count medium tortillas. So now we're going to assemble. Just take your mixture. Take about a half cup. A good half cup. Put it in the middle and kind of spread it out a little bit. Then we're going to, now we have it kind of sausage-like. Fold one end, fold the other end, bring this over, and then bring the whole flap over. And we're going to set them down like this because we're going to toast them. So here's one already made. Here's another one. And now I'm going to finish making some more, and then we're going to toast them. Let me do one more. This is about a good half cup. Don't want to put too much in here. This is about a good half cup. Kind of spread it out a little bit. Jar it up, make it sausage-like, and then go ahead and fold it up. Do this side, fold the sides in, and then fold it over. So now this one's ready too. And I'm going to get the rest of them done. So this mixture was enough to make 15 medium burritos. And now we're going to toast them. So now make sure that your pan is hot and put the burritos fold side down. I think we could do possibly 5 at a time. Let those toast on that side, and then when they get a good color, flip them and toast them on the other side, and they'll be done. Now just flip these over. And let these get good color on the other side. Okay, now here they are. They're nice and toasted. This filling was enough to make 15 medium-sized burritos. Okay, so now let's cut one of these open. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell for future videos. And remember, have fun cooking.